Thea is a platform that allows you to create study kits based off particular documents or files that you may have and may need to learn. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So they're currently in beta, and apparently if you sign up before June the 30th, you'll still have access to their premium features. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a study kit out of a simple prompting guide that was created by Google and see just how well this platform performs. So this is the prompting guide, by the way. It's just an easy one from Google. I think it's only about how many pages long? Like 68 pages long. I'm going to add that in here and see what we get. So you can upload a file, paste a YouTube link, or paste in some notes. Okay, cool. I'm going to add this to the study kit. So it looks like this is somewhat similar to NotebookLM already. Let's see exactly how well it performs in comparison. Okay, great. So we've got some interesting topics here. We've got analyzing customer feedback trends. This is pretty cool. I like how it's separated it into this. We've got key terms as well. It's quite interesting. So we've got employee satisfaction surveys, B2B, action items, campaign performance. Interesting stuff. Okay, cool. Let's see what else we can get out of this. I'm going to go to study guide. Okay, cool. So effective prompting with Gemini for Google Workspace. That's what this is. That's what that document was about, really. So B2B and B2C content creation. Okay, cool. So B2B content often includes white papers and case studies to establish authority and demonstrate expertise. Whereas B2C is more social media, blogs, videos that can be relatable, engaging. Okay, cool. Customer relationship management as well. Interesting. So yeah, this is a really cool platform actually. I'll definitely recommend it for anyone who needs to study anything, and it's in the form of any bit of text, a file, or YouTube video. So yeah, definitely check this out. I'm going to look into the insight section as well. Okay, cool. So this is oh sweet. Okay, so it looks like we've got some questions we can answer. Or maybe you can create them. Not too sure. Okay, maybe this part is still being developed. Let's go back to this study kit here, and yeah, you can see you can also review your study guide, explore the student view, or share with other people, and get insights into student learning. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is definitely a cool platform. I would recommend you check it out if there's something in particular that you need to work on or that you need to learn. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.